Special education is important because every child should be entitled for a free and appropriate education. I have a brother with special needs. He played a very vital role as to why I pursued special education. I was just really interested in the Project Eye Care program that was offered within Queens College. There was two parts that interested me, one being that they wanted us to serve a lower income population, and the second reason being that they wanted us to serve a population where there were children with special needs. That's where my heart was at, so I knew that this was exactly where I needed to be. What stood out for me the most in Queens College Early Childhood Special Education program was being able to build a relationship with my professors. They never ever said no when it came to their students needing help or when it came to our self-care. I currently work at PS24 Queens. Honestly, it was such a quick process. I graduated and then I got my diploma. The first day I applied to school that I am in right now, they gave me a call the day of, went to the interview, a week later did a demo lesson and hired me on the spot. I'm very thankful for that because I never knew that you could get a job so quickly. It was a 2-week process and that was it.